Found something cool on Temu and want to send it to a friend? Here's how to share any product in just a few seconds. First, open the Temu app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in. Now, browse or search for the product you want to share and tap on it to open the full product page. Once you're on the product page, look at the top right corner. You'll see the share icon, which looks like 3 connected dots. Go ahead and tap on it. A pop-up will appear showing several sharing options. You can directly send the link via apps like Telegram, WhatsApp, Messenger, Viber, Google Messages, and more. Just tap the app you want to use, select your contact, and send it. If you prefer to share manually, just tap Copy Link instead. You can then paste it into a text message, email, or anywhere you like. And that's it. Your friend will get a direct link to the exact item you picked out. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.